Welcome to Jigx. In this example, we're going to build out a simple list example. We're going to start by explaining a few basic concepts to get you going. You can learn about getting your Jigx environment installed and set up on docs.jigx.com, and you can see the URL below. Just as a reminder, as you build out these apps, you're going to work with 4 different tools. So Visual Studio Code is where you're going to spend the majority of your time. We bring Visual Studio Code to life with the Jigx add-in. We'll talk a little bit about that. The Jigx add-in then allows you to publish your solutions up to the Jigx cloud. There's a management environment up there. And then finally, probably the most important one is obviously your mobile device itself there. We provide a Jigx app, which you can download from the App Store, or you can actually publish your Jigx solutions as native applications. So that just gives you a quick run through the components that you're going to work with. But for now, we're going to focus on Visual Studio Code. Let's take a quick look at the file structures that we've got. So when you look at the Explorer, you'll see the intro, which is the project. And then underneath there are 5 folders, of which 4 are important. The first 3, databases, data source, and functions, are all about getting data into your application. And we'll go through those in some detail as we run through these videos. The one that we're going to focus on now is Jigx, and that is where obviously the name of the product comes from. And think about a jig as being the area where you configure the UI for your application. So in here, the screens, if you like, that make up your mobile application are going to be configured. The jig, you can also think about it like a manufacturing jig, makes it really easy for you to put these UI interfaces together because we've done all the scaffolding and all the hard work. And inside here, you can logically divide the screens, if you like, inside your mobile application to logical sections. So you'll see those logical sections in the Jig section. Those are completely arbitrary. There's one other special file, which is the index file. Inside the index file, you're going to describe the entry screen or the home screen for your application. And again, we make this really easy for you to get great UI and a fantastic experience for your users. Inside here, you're going to describe the metadata of the application and then essentially just lay out using widgets, different sizes, to give you pre-built UI components that you'll be able to make up your home screen. We'll go into this more detail as we build out the solution.